Go. Oh, shit.
Look. Did you get it? Oh, you can do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again. I don't know if I caught it because I was too busy watching where it was going instead of watching the camera. You won't ever film it? Oh, you can't. You gotta drop the thing.
I'm gonna try two.
This is a 7-Up
I'm
can.
gonna try two.
Chopper, it's okay, baby. It's because I'm out here. I caught it that time. I caught it that time.
It popped twice in the air. That was cool. Try one again. It was doing higher with one.
I know. Baby, I'm right here. Look. I'm right here.
Shut up.
It was good the first time though. Or the second time when I saw it. Want to say something?
Kids, try this at home.
Shit. Ronnie. Oh, you just saw your face.
Wow.
Alright, you ready to stop?
I'm ready to move on. It's fucking hot.